Here, hold on. I want to try this real quick, Bebe. I've never honestly seen one of these in my life. Is that bad, you think? Hey everybody, what's up? PJ here at CLKsupplies, and I am on the floor in the Detex factory. And I think actually I need to be having these on, right? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. And you know, as a person that loves assembly and getting into the weeds and the details of it, I tell you what, I was like, is there any way that I could assemble something for real? They actually, to my surprise, said yes. So we're gonna see how it goes here in a minute. I told them I need something fairly simple, okay? I don't wanna embarrass myself here on camera, but I am here with Lucinda. Lucinda, thank you so much for letting me not only interrupt your day, but assemble a Detex product.
Sure, yeah, absolutely.
But before we get going, could you tell everyone what your job is here at Detex?
Yes, I'm a production supervisor here. I've been here for about 18 years. And I over the Value Series line, Advantex line, and AO line, and then the sublines that go into those. Yeah.
Now, I've kind of heard a rumor that around this place, you're kind of like the go-to person when it comes to something on the floor here. Am I right?
Yes, yeah.
All right. So am I in good hands? Like, what are the odds I'm going to be able to do this?
I think 100%. We'll get you through it, no matter what.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get you through it.
Perfect. All right, well, let's do it. And for the record, I have no idea what I'm about ready to assemble, so.
So we are building a V40. It is our standard device. It is hex dogging, and it's from our Value Series line. So that's what we'll be building today.
All right, well,
okay.
I'm ready.
So you're gonna grab yourself an extrusion here.
Okay.
And lay it on the table, please. The other side, flip it over. Okay, we're gonna grab a push pad. Flip that upside down as well. So right here are where we're gonna put our screws in. We're gonna grab one of those center cases. Flip it upside down. Yep. And then these screws already contain Loctite on the threads, and you're just gonna put those in there. This drill is a gyroscopic drill. So when you turn it, it goes right, or when you turn it left, it goes left.
Oh, really? Yeah. Hold on here. I don't think I've ever...
It takes a little bit of getting used to, absolutely.
Here, hold on. I want to try this real quick, Bebe. I've never honestly seen one of these in my life. Is that bad, you think? Maybe?
Every day is new, and we learn something new every day. Okay, you're gonna flip your push pad and center case combo over. The center case push pad combo. Flip that over. And then your extrusion here is gonna slide on from that end. Upside down. There you go. And you're gonna put your base plate right in. Yeah, just like that. Very good. All the way. There you go.
Okay.
Yep, and then there should be a set screw right in here. In the push pad.
Okay.
Just make sure that your dogging is open. Okay. And then you're gonna slide that into these grooves right here.
Does this go on the outside or something?
Yep, that's right, just like that.
All right.
And then you're gonna test the function of the device. So here's your hex key. You're just gonna get in there and turn it. Yep, just like that. Make sure it locks, perfect. Undog it. Make sure it pops back up. We're gonna put some little stickers on so that it fits our cover on nicely.
2 stickers.
Yep, and you're gonna wanna line them up. Your first one is gonna start here and go that way.
Like this?
Yep, just right in the middle of that.
Oh, in the middle.
Yeah.
Along with that.
Yeah, we just use those pins for alignment.
Tell you what, I'm really liking that fan right there.
It does make a difference.
All right.
You're gonna peel the backing off of that sticker there.
Okay.
And then you're gonna have a push pad wrap in front of you there. You're just gonna put that right down on top of that push pad and press it in place. Yep. That's it, you're done, sir.
If you had to, you know, it's okay to be very honest,
Sure.
okay? How would you say I did on that?
For your first one,
Yeah.
I'd hire you.
Okay, you were. Okay, that's good to know.
You followed directions. You weren't aggressive or mean to me, so there you go.
Hey, you know what? The good part is we know if things don't work out, I can always come here.
That's right. Yeah.
I like it. I like it. Well, hey, there you go. Perfectly. Okay, maybe I put in the word perfectly, but close
Pretty
enough.
close.
Yeah, pretty close.
Yeah.
Here it is. thank you so much for allowing me
You're
to
very
do
welcome.
this.
I
All
didn't get
right,
the
yeah, date code. Here we go. All right, we got the date code. Okay, now for those of you still watching, you know, I wanted to take it all the way to the end and get it put in the box here. Okay, so we got the date code put on there, and I'm gonna come down here and see if I can't make myself look a little better. Let's see. All
Yeah.
right.
You can pretty much tell how that goes in there, yes?
Yes.
Just kind of pop it down in there. There you go.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna put some kits in now. I'm gonna grab one of each of these kits. That's gonna go in here.
All three in here?
Yep. You're gonna grab an end cap.
Okay.
That's gonna go in here.
All right.
A cover. It's gonna go here. Make sure you put the opening to the out, just like that. Yep. And then your instruction will go right in here.
Little bend in, it's
Tiny
okay?
little bend in it, yeah.
Okay.
And then we have an insert that goes right on top of the push pad and our quick install. Let me close it up.
All right. I hate to tear a brand new box, right?
We'll charge you for it.
Yeah. All right.
All right, tape it. Get some March tape going here. This is going to go across this edge
Right here?
here. Yep. Another one. The other side.
Okay.
We'll flip it on its edge. And then you put a piece of tape here and on that side. Okay?
All right. You know, I would do this job just so I can play
It's
with
fun,
this
right?
tape.
Yeah. And then one last little label here. It's just gonna go right across here. This is our Prop 65 label.
Okay.
And then our label that goes on the end of the device.
Does it matter what ends?
Yes, you wanna put it on that. Yep. Now here's the real test. If you can get it on there just straight.
Oh, you better believe I can.
All right.
That
And
looks
then
okay?
that's it. That's the total device.
All right, look at that. Completely done right here. I like it. There you go. You have to let me know how you think I did in the comments, okay? It's okay to be honest. Have you seen one of these screwdrivers before even? Should I even be admitting on the internet that I've never seen this? I don't know. Probably not.
Probably not. You might
Probably
want
not.
to
You know,
yourself.
maybe I have one of these at home, okay?
There you go. Yeah.
But all right, everybody. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much once again.
Yes.
And I look forward to hearing what you think in the comments. We'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, I want to make sure that you know to include the hashtag Lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. We'll see ya.